GeopByte.
Welcome to GeopByte. Hi students, in the previous video we have discussed types of quadrilaterals. In this video we are going to discuss the problems from 1 to 3 in the exercise 3.3. Now let us see the exercise 3.3. First question. Given a parallelogram ABCD. So this is a parallelogram ABCD. Complete each statement along with the definition or property used. So here we have some statements. Let us see them. First one, AD equal to dash. Next, angle DCB equal to dash. Next one, OC is equal to dash. Fourth one, M angle DAB plus M angle CDA equal to dash. So now let us see for first bit, that is AD equal to dash. So here AD is this. So this is the side of parallelogram AD. So AD is equal to what? We need to find. So here AD will be equal to BC because we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So AD is opposite side to BC. In a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So AD is equal to BC because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So AD is equal to BC. Also AB will be equal to DC. Now next let us see second one. Angle DCB equal to what? So here angle is considered at the point C because it is in the middle of this angle. So at C the angle should be considered. So angle is made near C. So angle DCB equal to this angle DCB. So this is the angle DCB. So angle DCB equal to what? So opposite to angle C is angle A. We know that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So angle DAB is equal to angle DCB because they are opposite angles. So in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So angle DCB is equal to angle DAB. So here angle is made at the middle alphabet, that is here. Angle DAB is equal to angle DCB because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So here angle A is opposite to angle C, therefore opposite angles are equal. That is angle DCB equal to angle DAB. Now let us see third one. They give OC equal to what? So here where is OC? It is here. OC. So OC equal to what? We know that the diagonals in the parallelogram bisect each other. That means the midpoint of this diagonal AC is 0 and here OA is equal to OC because OA is the midpoint of this diagonal and it is also midpoint of the diagonal DB. So we know that the diagonals in a parallelogram bisect each other. So OC will be equal to OA because the point O is dividing this diagonal into two equal halves. OA equal to OC. So OC equal to OA, because diagonals in a parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect means dividing the line into two parts. So OC is equal to OA, and also OD will be equal to OB, because the diagonals bisect each other. Now next, let us see fourth one. M angle DAB plus M angle CDA equal to what? So, angle DAB means this, DAB. So, this angle plus M angle CDA. CDA is this, CDA. So, this angle. So, angle DAB plus angle CDA is equal to what? So, here we know that these two are the adjacent angles. So, we know that in a parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. That is, if we add two adjacent angles, we will get supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means 180 degree. So, it will be equal to 180 degree, because the sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is supplementary. That is 180 degree. So therefore adjacent angles of the parallelogram is equal to 180. Also angle A plus angle B will also be 180 degree, because these two will be adjacent angles. So the sum of two adjacent angles, adjacent means side by side. So here angle A is adjacent to angle D. So the sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is supplementary. So it is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us see the second question. Consider the following parallelograms. Find the values of x, y, z. So here first bit, here we have a parallelogram, and here we need to find x, y and z. So here we need to find the angles C, D and A. So, and one angle, that is angle ABC, it is given that 100 degree. So at point B they gave 100 degrees. So we need to find x, y, z. So first we will find the value of x. So here if you observe carefully, angle B and angle C are adjacent angles. We know that the sum of two adjacent angles in a parallelogram is supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. That is, the sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. So here angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. That means angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That implies angle B equal to 100 degree plus angle C. Here angle C is x, that equal to 180 degree. That is angle x is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So that implies x equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. So we got the value of x equal to 80 degree. So the sum of two adjacent sides of a parallelogram is 180. So 100 plus 80 is equal to 180. So we have find the value of x. Now we will find the value of y. So here we can observe that angle C and angle D are adjacent angles of parallelogram. So if we add angle C and angle D, it should be also equal to 180 degree. So that is angle C plus angle D equal to 180 degree. That implies here angle C equal to x, which is equal to 80 degree, plus angle D, here angle D is y, equal to 180 degree. That implies y equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. That implies y equal to 180 minus 80, 100. So 100 degree. We got the value of y equal to 100 degree, which is equal to 100 degree. Also there is one method to find the value of y. We know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So here also angle B is equal to angle D because opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So directly we can find angle B equal to angle D. So here y value will be equal to 100 because here only we have 100, and here also angle C is equal to angle A. So angle A is equal to Z. So it is given angle A is equal to Z and angle C. Angle C is equal to 80 degree. So here angle C is equal to angle A. So angle A is equal to Z, which is equal to angle C. Angle C is equal to 80 degrees. So the value of Z will be 80 degree. So in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So angle B is equal to angle D, that equal to 100 degrees. So y equal to 100 degree. And angle C and angle A are equal. So x is equal to 80 degree and z equal to 180 degree. So here also we can find here angle A and angle D are two adjacent angles. So if we add angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, that implies angle A equal to Z plus we have angle D equal to Y, which is equal to 100 degree equal to 180. That implies Z equal to 180 minus 100 degree. That implies Z equal to 80 degree. So we have two methods to find the values of y and z. Now let us see the second figure. Here ABCD is a type of parallelogram. Now here we need to find the values of x, y and z. So in the figure, that is in the parallelogram, ABCD. Here we can observe that angle A is opposite to angle C. Here angle A and angle C are opposite angles, and we know that opposite angles of a parallelogram are always equal. So here x is equal to y because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. And next, here DC is parallel to AB and DA is parallel to CB. Here the line AB intersects the line DA and CB. So AB is a line which intersects the line AD and CB. So here X and Z are corresponding angles. Here from the figure, AD is parallel to CB and AB intersects them. So here angle A and here this angle are both corresponding angles. So corresponding angles will be always equal. So here angle X and angle Z are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. So X is equal to Z. So here we have X equal to Y and X equal to Z. That means overall we can write it as X equal to Y and X is equal to Z. So equal to Z. We got an equation like this: X equal to Y, Y equal to Z. So the angles of these three are equal. So now let us find the value of any one angle so that we can find other two angles easily. So now if you observe in this parallelogram, we know that the sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are equal. So here angle A and angle D are adjacent angles. So if you add this angle and this angle, it should be equal to 180 degree. So adjacent angles we need to add, which will be equal to 180 degree. So x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree because these two angles are adjacent angles, which will be equal to 180 degree. So here x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. That implies x equal to 180 minus 50 will be equal to 130 degree. So we got x equal to 130 degree. So x equal to 130 degree. Here we know that x is equal to y and y is equal to z. So here x equal to y equal to z. Here we got x equal to 130. So whole will be equal to 130. Therefore, angle x is equal to angle y equal to angle z. So angle x equal to 130 degrees. 130 degree. Here angle y also equal to 130 degree. Angle z equal to 130 degrees. Now let us see the third figure. Here it is a parallelogram. This side is parallel to this side and this side is also parallel to this side. So here we need to find the values of x, y and z. And here in this figure we can observe that these two are vertically opposite angles and these two angles are also vertically opposite angles. Here this line and this line are perpendicular to each other, making right angles in these four angles. So this angle will be 90 degrees, and here x and this angle is vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, here x is equal to 90 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal. So that's the reason x is also equal to 90 degree, and here directly we can say that this is a right angle triangle and the angle is made here because it is a right angle which are perpendicular. And now we will find the value of y. So now we have the values of x and here it is given as 30. Now we will find the value of y. If you carefully observe, this is a triangle. So this is a triangle. We know that the angle sum property of triangle is angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degree. So we will add these three angles. X plus y plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. That implies here we have the value of x equal to 90. So in the place of x we will write 90 degree plus y plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. That implies 90 plus 30 equal to 120. So 120 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. That implies y equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. That implies y is equal to 180 minus 120 will be equal to 60 degree. So we got y is equal to 60 degree and here x equal to 90 degree. And in this parallelogram, if you carefully observe, angle y and here angle z are alternate angles. From the figure, angle y and angle z are alternate angles. We know that alternate angles are always equal, so y is equal to z. Because y and z are alternate angles will always be equal, and here already we have the value of y. So value of y is 60 degree, so then value of z will also be 60 degree. So therefore z equal to y equal to 60 degree. So we got the value of y and z equal to 60 degree. Now let us see the fourth figure. Here we have a parallelogram. So we need to find the values of x, y and z. So now if you observe in this figure, this is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. Here x and here 80 degree. Here these both angles are adjacent angles. So we know that the sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree because adjacent angles. So the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. So we are adding x and 80 which will be equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. That implies x equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. So 100 degree. We got the value of x equal to 100 degree. So this angle equal to 100 degrees. Now we will find the value of y. And here we see that x and y, that is angle x and angle y, are adjacent angles. Angle x and angle y are adjacent angles. So the sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. That implies we have the value of x equal to 100 degree. So in the place of x, we will write 100 degree. So 100 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. That implies y equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. That implies y equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80. So we got y equal to 80 degree. So this angle is equal to 80 degree. And now we will find the value of z. Here, if you observe carefully, this angle and this angle are alternate angles, that is angle y and angle z are alternate angles. Angle y and angle z are alternate angles. And we know that alternate angles are equal, therefore angle y is equal to angle z. So we have y equal to 80 degree. So we have y equal to 80 degree. Then z is also equal to is also equal to 80 degree, because alternate angles are always equal. Therefore, y is equal to z equal to 80 degrees. So y is equal to z equal to 80 degree. So z is also equal to 80 degrees. Now let us see the fifth figure. Here we have a parallelogram. Let us find the values of x, y, z. In this figure, if you carefully observe, this angle and this angle are opposite to each other, and we know that the opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. So y is equal to 112 degree, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So that is the reason y is also equal to 112 degree. So this angle is equal to this angle. Now let us find the value of x. Here this is the diagonal of the parallelogram. So this diagonal is dividing the parallelogram into two equal halves. That is this part and this part. And this is a triangle and this is another triangle. So let us consider this triangle to find the value of x. So this is a triangle. We know that angle sum property of triangle is 180 degrees. So if we add all the angles, it will be equal to 180 degree. So we have two angles and we don't know the other angle, that is x. So let us find the value of x. So x plus 112 degree, x plus 112 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. That implies 112 degree plus 40 degree is 152 degree plus x. X equal to 180 degree. That implies x equal to 180 degree minus 152 degree. That implies x is equal to 180 minus 152 will be equal to 28. So x equal to 28 degree. So we got the value x equal to 28 degree. So angle x equal to 28 degree. Now let us find the value of z. If you observe carefully, x and z are alternate angles. So angle x and angle z are alternate angles. So alternate angles are always equal. That is, x is equal to z, because here x and z are alternate angles. So we have already x equal to 28. So x will be equal to 28 and z also will be equal to 28 degrees. So z is also equal to 28 degree. And you need to know this condition. Here x and z are alternate angles and alternate angles are always equal. So we got x equal to z equal to 28 degrees. Now let us see the third question. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if first bit angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Second one, AB equal to DC equal to 8 cm, AD equal to 4 cm and BC equal to 4.4 cm. Third bit, angle A equal to 70 degree and angle C equal to 65 degree. So now let us find. So first let us draw a rough figure of a parallelogram. A rough figure. A, B, C, D. And these four are the angles of a parallelogram. So first question they have asked that angle D plus angle B. That means angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degree. So can we draw a quadrilateral ABCD if angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degrees? Yes, we can construct. Yes, a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degrees. But it must satisfy some conditions. That is, it should satisfy some conditions. That is, first one, the sum of two adjacent sides should be equal to 180 degree. So if we add the two adjacent sides, it should be equal to 180 degree. Next, the opposite angles should be equal. So it should satisfy the two conditions. The sum of two adjacent sides should be equal to 180 degree and the opposite angles should be equal. That means these two opposite angles should be equal. So then only a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Now let us see second one. So if AB equal to DC equal to 8 cm, that means AB equal to DC equal to 8 cm. Yes, we know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are always equal. So here AB is equal to DC. So AB equal to DC equal to 8 cm. Yes. Next, AD equal to 4 cm. They give AD equal to 4 cm and BC equal to 4.4 cm. We know that opposite sides are equal. That means AD is equal to BC. But in the question it is given that AD equal to 4 cm and BC equal to 4.4 centimeters. Here they have given that AD is not equal to BC because the values are differing. AD it is given as 4, BC it is given as 4.4. So here it is not equal. But in a parallelogram, the opposite sides should be equal. So, no. Opposite sides must be equal. Here, AD is not equal to BC. So here AD is not equal to BC. That's why this condition is not accepted. Next, third one. Angle A equal to 70 degree. Angle A equal to 70 degree and angle C equal to 65 degree. We know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides must be equal. That means angle A should be equal to angle C and angle D should be equal to angle B. But here it is given that angle A as 70 degree and angle C as 65 degree. So these both values are not equal. But in a parallelogram, opposite sides should be equal. That is angle A equal to angle C. So therefore, no. So third condition also not satisfies. So no, opposite angles must be equal. Here they gave angle A. Angle A is not equal to angle C. So if it should be a parallelogram, angle A should be equal to angle C. But in the question they gave angle A equal to 70 and angle C equal to 65. These two values are not same. So we have written no. Opposite angles must be equal. Here they give angle A not equal to angle C. The remaining topics will be covered in the next video. You are welcome to contact us on Telegram to clarify your doubts regarding these topics. Check out the link given in the description. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeopByte.
GeopByte.